Welcome back to Future Drive, your go-to source for the hottest upcoming vehicles, future tech, and industry insights. And today, we've got a wild one for you. The long-awaited 2026 Ford Bronco Pickup is finally here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most talked about trucks in the coming year. After years of speculation, Ford has finally confirmed what fans and off-road enthusiasts have been hoping for: the Bronco is officially getting the pickup treatment. And no, this isn't just a Ranger with a Bronco badge slapped on. This is a true Bronco through and through, just with a bed in the back. So, what do we know so far? First, let's talk design. The 2026 Bronco Pickup retains the boxy, retro-modern aesthetic that made the SUV version such a hit. You've got the iconic round LED headlights, bold, Bronco, lettering across the grille, and rugged flared fenders. But now, those unmistakable looks flow into a 5-foot cargo bed, giving it a truly adventure-ready profile. Expect multiple roof options too, including removable panels and soft tops, just like the SUV. Under the hood, Ford is likely sticking with what works: a 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4 is standard, and a 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 is an upgrade. Don't be surprised if we see a hybrid version announced later down the line, maybe even something with plug-in capability, especially with Ford's big EV push in recent years. Performance-wise, this pickup is built to handle the roughest trails right out of the factory. It'll come with the same GOAT modes, that's, goes over any terrain, locking differentials, optional Sasquatch package with 35-inch tires, and Bilstein shocks. Essentially, the Bronco Pickup isn't just a lifestyle truck, it's a serious off-roader that just happens to have more utility. Inside, the cabin is almost identical to the current Bronco SUV: durable materials, marine-grade vinyl in lower trims, and optional leather in higher trims. Expect the 12-inch touchscreen with Sync 4, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available trail camera views. Ford's keeping the focus on modularity too, so accessories like mall straps, removable grab handles, and integrated trail maps will be part of the package. But what about price? Here's where things get interesting. The base 2026 Ford Bronco Pickup is expected to start around $40,000, which is slightly above the SUV version but right in line with midsize truck competitors like the Toyota Tacoma and Chevy Colorado. Go for the upper trims, like the Wildtrak or possibly a Raptor-style version, and you're looking at somewhere around $60,000 to $70,000 fully loaded. Now, we're still waiting for official EPA numbers and final specs, but production is expected to begin in late 2025, with first deliveries in early 2026. Ford hasn't said exactly how many units they plan to build, but considering how fast the original Bronco SUV sold out, we recommend keeping an eye on reservation windows if you're serious. So what do you think? Is the Bronco Pickup the perfect mix of off-road capability and utility? Or are you holding out for an electric version down the road? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a future reveal. This has been Future Drive, where the road ahead is always just a little closer than you think. See you in the next one.